Hello and greetings from PBL Works. We're thrilled you'll be joining us at PBL World 2026, taking place in just a few weeks. To help you get the most out of the conference, we created this short video to walk you through everything you need to know. Our conference will take place at American Canyon High School, located at the southern end of Napa Valley, within easy traveling distance of several major airports. The official kickoff will take place on June 16th. If you registered for pre-conference workshops, we look forward to welcoming you on June 15th. The pre-conference includes both Project Slice workshops and SEL workshops. No matter when you arrive, registration will take place in the main administration building. We recommend arriving about 30 minutes early to check in, find your workshop, and grab coffee and breakfast in the cafeteria. There is plenty of parking on site, but we encourage carpooling when possible. Your fellow attendees and the planet will thank you. This is a BYOD event, so be sure to bring a fully charged laptop or similar device. You may also want to bring a hat and sun protection for time outdoors. On day one, we'll begin with the official kickoff by Scott Shigeoka in the main auditorium. From there, you'll head to your assigned room listed in your registration email. At the end of day one, we hope you'll join us for the conference reception at Copia, just a short drive away in downtown Napa. Join us for appetizers and beverages of your choice as we celebrate and announce this year's PBL Champion Award recipients. On day two, we'll start the morning with a live student panel, where you'll hear directly from learners about their experiences with project-based learning before heading back to your sessions. After day two, we encourage you to explore all that Napa Valley has to offer. On day three, we'll wrap up a bit earlier, ending at 1:15 p.m., so you have time to travel home comfortably. Keep an eye out for your official conference guide arriving soon, with additional details to help you prepare. And be sure to check the conference website each evening for important updates. For more information, visit pblworks.org. We can't wait to see you there.